great to see both of you, and I have just watched Rerouting, and I can say it is one of the best short films. It also reminds me of 70s, 60s, and 80s kind of film, which, as an indie, filmmaker or film aficionados like to watch. Tell us about, ma'am, about this film, how you have come up with this short film and casted one of the greatest actors sitting next to you. Yeah, please.
How did I come up with the film in a nutshell? The seed idea I had when I was in LA, in Los Angeles, and I used to take Uber rides रात को बहुत ज़्यादा. And every time we started the ride, the first question that we would ask to each other was like, how was your day?
Yeah.
And then we would have some formal conversations and then the destination would arrive. So it always used to make me wonder कि अगर destinations arrive होने के बाद भी हम लोग continue करते ये ride, those strangers completely, so what would have happened? So that was the seed idea. And then you develop the story around it. Next to me is seated this man that I don't know how to introduce. I don't think I'm capable of introducing him. All I can say is that he is my co-actor. He is my actor. As a director, he's my actor. As an actor, he's my co-actor. And he's phenomenal. So that's it. Boruchana sir.
I think it has been somewhat different from my different in the sense that it was more of a joint venture, as it were. I mean, there was much more give and take between the director and the actor. Normally what happens is a director is quite definite about how he or she wants it to be played out. But here, she gave me a lot of freedom. How would you like to play it out? This is basically what I want you to talk about or discuss. This is how I want the dialogue to go forward. All right?
Okay.
But how do you wish to do it?
Okay.
I mean, she gave me a choice.
Okay.
She gave me freedom.
Okay.
And I wasn't going to miss out. I said, yeah, I think we could do it like this if you will agree with me. So, and she had that kind of, I think, a quiet conviction that what I was going to suggest would come out from some amount of experience and the man that I am. She had chosen me.
Okay.
तो उन पे भरोसा कुछ मेरे ख्याल से तो and it worked out to my mind. कहीं we have collaborated instead of just being given a script and follow it. Now that's it.
So just want to ask, while you are, part of this film, shooting for this film, and were you like surprised how the output has came like after that? Tell us about that.
How is the output been like?
Yeah.
No, when you read the
Shooting.
script,
What were you expecting?
you say after that the output, what you
Yeah,
surprised?
yeah. We have said this. I have said the same thing over and over again. When I was given the script, जब मुझे पहला मर्तबा लगा,
हाँ.
मैं पढ़ा, लगा ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें मुझे खास कुछ नहीं लगा.
अच्छा.
I mean that I was sort of elated.
हाँ.
ये कहाँ से आया है?
हाँ.
I didn't think like that. लेकिन I thought कि चलो देखते हैं ना. ये she's come from a different place. She's got a different work experience and that kind of thing. Let's give it a try. No harm. And when I saw the edited version, I was quite speechless. I was quite amazed. That because the end product, I will just sum up in one line. It did not seem like an Indian film. In spite of us being Indian, it could have been a South American film, it could have been a Spanish or a Portuguese film. The style of the story going forward, the dialogue, everything. I mean, yes, we were speaking occasionally in Bengali. बांग्ला में बोल रहे थे लेकिन बट overall, the feeling I got was it is a foreign film, not made in India. That struck me as quite different. Normally it has. I've worked in a number of short films. I love to act. I prefer acting in short films than in long films. Feature. Short film has a point to make.
Okay.
It's manageable. Commercial films, too many money matters come in. ये
Agreed,
गाना
agreed,
लगाइए, ये
agreed.
देखिए ना, ये थोड़ा सा
Agreed,
लव,
agreed, agreed,
वो
agreed.
लवी डबी कुछ कर दी है ना,
Agreed, agreed.
that kind of thing. Here, there was no nothing.
सो इट वॉज प्योर आर्ट. मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सर ने इतनी ज़्यादा तारीफ कर दी है. एक चीज़ जानना चाहूँगा, क्या बचपन से सिनेमा दिल में था आपके, और कब आपने सोचा कि सिनेमा की ओर रुख करना चाहिए, उस बारे में थोड़ा सा.
I never grew up watching movies.
Okay.
Like, I was very studious, like it's all about studies, and मुझे economist बनना था. I loved economics. But my grandmother was watching Do Anjane one time, and I saw Mr. Bachchan on screen. And I was like, ये क्या हो गया? अभी था, जिंदा था, मर गया, फिर से वापस आ गया. Like, what is this thing? And it was like शनिवार के रात अमिताभ के साथ, you know, सब TV पे. So then I rewatched that film for the next 3 days, and that's when I started like dreaming कि oh, I'm meeting this man. वो पागलपंती बोलो कि जो भी बोलो, एक फैनेटिक का जो होता है वो चढ़ गया था. And my only wish was कि एक दिन इसको मिलना है कि ये सच्ची में है इंसान की टीवी के पीछे ही बस है. तो मैं बैठ के देखती थी कि हाउ यू नो हु कम्स क्लोज टू हिम. तो आई थॉट कि द जर्नलिस्ट आर द ओनली वंस दैट कम लाइक अ लिटिल बिट क्लोजर टू हिम.
एग्रीड,
तो
एग्रीड.
इसलिए मैंने ठाना कि ठीक है, मुझे जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन करनी है. एंड दैट्स हाउ आई फेल इन लव विद डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकिंग फर्स्ट. एंड the life's first work, I was very fortunate, was with him and Shyam Benegal sir and other legends. But that's how I got into the side of filmmaking. Otherwise, filmmaking का कोई कीड़ा नहीं था. Everybody is a doctor in my family, but I rerouted.
Rerouted.
So
yeah.
after so many years, Amitabh Bachchan sir have seen your film and given best regard. Tell us about that whole dream come true.
That I really did not expect. He'll give us that time. I did request him to watch it because this was the one film that I believe after maybe reactions
What will
from
follow
other
this another
audiences and stuff, this should be watched. You know, it's not festival run is a separate thing, but this should be watched by as many people as possible. तो मैंने सबको भेजा था. I said I would love for you to watch it. And he wrote back, which is first of all grateful. The entire team is grateful that he's watched it. And what he wrote was so personal, and that for me will always stay special. Life came like full circle for me. Like just go dekh ke I came here and now him watching. Yeah. So it was great.
Recently we had a screening at NCPA. It was full house. How was the reaction? I want to ask both of you. Like,
You wanna go first?
There was a very short time before it happened. In Bombay or anywhere else, you need a lot of time, a lot of planning to go before you can actually hold this kind of gathering. It takes time and planning. I was amazed that in such a short while we had a full house, and I was told that a few people had to be turned away because they showed up late. And they are very strict about it. अब आए अंदर चले आए,
जी.
बाद में आए आप रही बाहर, that kind of thing. And it was great. It was great feeling that Mumbai में आया हूँ, I mean, which is the mecca of film as far as India is concerned. And we have a full audience. एक छोटा मोटा कलकत्ता का फिल्म देखने के लिए. I don't have any illusions about things. I know that, I mean, बरूद चंदा ठीक है, वो रे का फिल्म में किया था, अलविदा में किया था. छोड़ो यार, हो गया. कब हुआ? 10 साल पहले हुआ. But it remains that it's a Calcutta film, small, short film, with the producer, they self-produced it, that kind of thing. What is that? We have a full house here. I was shocked. I was amazed.
Yeah.
Very happy.
You're coming from a land of Satyajit Ray. Uh, of course, I want to ask you about something about him, like just at least something about about him. Like he's a legend, world knows.
See, मैं जब काम किया ना सतीश के साथ, रे के साथ, the film got released in 71. After that, क्या हुआ, मैंने लगभग 20 साल काम नहीं किया, एक्टिंग नहीं किया। वो क्यों नहीं किया कि वो मुझे लगा कि अगर अच्छा रोल मिले तभी काम करेंगे। आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ प्रोफेशनल एक्टर, आई डोंट वांट टू बिकम अ स्टार। स्टारडम मेरे लिए नहीं है। अगर कोई अच्छा रोल मिले तब हम काम करेंगे। नहीं मिला, बहुत काम मिला, बहुत, बट आई read the stories, they did not appeal to me. The director was not well known to me. Why should I? Chalo, I went back to my advertising and I was very happy there. And after a long time that came. I did not have any yardstick कि उनको मेजर करेंगे। सब कुछ पूछते थे, अब वैसा आपके साथ काम किया तो कैसा लगा? मुझे अच्छा लगा। तो लेकिन बट I have no comparison. I have not worked with anybody else. So that is the only film I have worked in, which is okay, fine.
That's right.
Only when you work with somebody else
Yeah.
do you start understanding the of that man.
Got it. Yeah. Ma'am, tell us about how you're taking this film forward, short film forward, festivals and all. You're also, I mean, going to Calcutta for this.
So Kolkata, we have had 4 screenings.
Okay.
At high school, this Wednesday we have another screening at
Okay.
London.
Okay.
And this will
That
be
should again be a full house.
I hope so. I hope so. Kolkata now it's good time. And festivals में अभी कल ही हमें पता चला कि we are in the competitive section
Wow.
at the 15th Pune International Short
Oh,
Film
great,
Festival.
great, great.
So that's a good thing. And we have had a couple of other festivals. But this movie, I really feel after watching the screenings, this should be watched.
Okay.
एक साथ बैठ के हो, अकेले में हो, but not just for the festival run. So I'm hoping to find a good OTT platform that matches the senses of this film. तो वही एक journey है, इसीलिए मुंबई में भी screening करने की कोशिश थी. And I hope कि this is not our first and last screening in Mumbai. I hope people want to watch it again, and I hope we can come back to Mumbai with Read Out. You know?
It is not easy to make a film, and it's more harder to promote a film, right? So, as an independent indie filmmaker, what do you think the future course of yours would be? How you're going to shape it? I mean, tell us about that.
See, I feel like every film has its own journey. Because ये फिल्म 2020 में बनने वाली थी, बंद हो गई for whatever reason. अभी 2025 में बनी है, so 5 साल हम लोग खुद रीड आउट हो गए. So I feel every film has its own journey. Future का, I think I want to direct more short films because I also feel I like short films. I like कि छोटे से duration में you're giving that punch and you're leaving people wanting more. You know, कुछ चीज़ें stretch ज़्यादा नहीं करनी चाहिए. So I think going back, acting, I love acting as well, so I'll continue acting. And direction, I'll only try to do the ones that I get to write. मुझे creatively वो liberty चाहिए होती है, and not like a producer saying, because I want to be at the end of the day, अगर मुझे कोई पूछे कि ये shot ऐसा क्यों है, I want to be able to say कि ये इसलिए, not because कि director, producer ने बोला कि किसी और ने बोला. That liberty I want as a director. So I don't know how many films I'll be directing, but acting I want to continue. And direction का अच्छा कहानी आ गया, I'll get to work with such people, so I'll continue.
One more thing. Are there any Indian or international directors that you are jealous of and want to be like them or want to work with like them? Is there?
Work with them?
Yeah.
Work with them many. I want to be like anybody? No, because I don't think I can be anybody else. I can only keep on improving myself. क्योंकि हमारे एक्टिंग स्कूल में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ सिखाया जाता था कि ऑडिशन देने जाते थे हम, अगर हज़ार लोग एक ऑडिशन एक रोल के लिए. So they were like, don't think कि जो इधर बैठा है वो तुम्हारा रोल लेके चला जाएगा तो उसको हम नहीं बोलने
हाँ,
वाले।
हाँ,
ये इधर बहुत है वो मेंटालिटी। लॉस एंजलिस में वो नहीं है, बिकॉज वी वर टॉट कि आप जो हो दैट्स यू एज एन इंडिविजुअल, आप जो लेके आ सकते हो इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, इस कैरेक्टर में, दैट्स you. Nobody else can do that. They'll do a different version of it. So you just do your bit, and if they like it, they'll go for it. So I don't want to be like everybody.
Okay.
I just want to maybe keep on improving myself.
Yeah.
and
So
keep on
yeah. So question to you is like, India is I mean kind of facing shortage of story or what? The films are not working in India. I mean, whether we talk about Bollywood or South Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, films are not working. Are there shortage of stories, or what is the reason? Or are people bored? Same kind of stories, or what is the thing?
You see, what has happened, at least in Bengal,
Yeah.
um, the new crop of directors, they are all making stories. I mean, they work only with their own stories. Bengal has a very rich literature. They have lovely short stories, long stories, which can be converted into films, feature films. नहीं तो short film तो बन ही सकता है, but no, they always come up with their own stories, and वो कहानी सबके लिए नहीं है। हम या लिख सकता हूँ, so I've become a story writer. उतना आसानी नहीं है। इसीलिए मैं क्या होता है, जब फिल्म देखते हैं ना, तो काफ़ी गलत लगता है। स्टोरी लाइन में गड़बड़ है। I mean, it does not logically follow from A to Z. वो गड़बड़ है। But they will not, and they are ruling the game. To my mind, this makes all these films somewhat mediocre.
It is also the reason, like, I mean, it is more of like a business rather than a piece of art.
More like business. देखिए, हमारे वहाँ पे 2 डायरेक्टर हैं जो साल में 3 फिल्म बनाते हैं कम से कम। वो इसके अलावा मुंबई में आके भी फिल्म बनाते हैं।
जी हाँ।
श्रीजीत मुखर्जी जो है, मुंबई में भी उनका प्रोडक्शन हाउस सेपरेट है। How can you? I mean, it's not a production house. It's not a proud manufacturing company. दिमाग से काम There has to be intellect, heart, and then soul behind the film. तब film बनता है.
Yeah. Lastly, it's great talking with you, ma'am. Just tell us about this film, how you're taking, how you're taking this forward. Is this film will be available for audience, and when it will be, like, tell us about that release, and I mean.
So that is the next step that we are aiming at. And
Okay.
इसीलिए ये screenings we are doing in different
Okay.
places so that the word spreads. Because as you know, it's not easy to sell a short film if you don't have a strong backing. जैसे आपने ही सवाल किया कि
जी. Agreed,
it's hard.
agreed.
So we are gathering the audience reaction, and we are realizing कि how much the audience wants to watch it out there, and more than once. I've had people watch it more than once. So we are trying to reach out to the curators, and I would appeal, like, if anybody is out there who's seen rerouting, wants to spread the word, please spread the word. Definitely open to talk to curators for OTT platforms, because that's what I want. That's the next journey that I want. It should be on an OTT platform because it needs to be watched. So that's it.
I'm blessed to watch this film, and I wish success for this film.